If you're looking for a Harley-Davidson, from a vintage 1965 Panhead to budget-friendly Softails under $4,000, this lineup might surprise you. Today, we're breaking down 10 Harley deals currently on the market, including classic Shovelheads, Road Kings, and anniversary models. Let's dive in. Number 1. 1965 Harley-Davidson Panhead, $19,500, DeLeon Springs, Florida. Starting off strong with a true piece of Harley history. This 1965 Panhead represents the golden era of American V-twin motorcycles. Showing just under 6,000 miles and finished in blue, this bike is described as a great rider that has attended multiple rallies and long-distance trips. Unlike many vintage Harleys that sit as display pieces, this one has actually been used the way it was meant to be, on the road. It features a 1968 frame, and while the earlier history is unknown, the seller reports no known issues and good tires. For riders who want authentic Panhead sound, mechanical simplicity, and true vintage character, this could be a strong candidate. At $19,500, it offers entry into classic Harley ownership without stepping into six-figure collector territory. Number 2. 2006 Harley-Davidson Softail Deluxe, $4,000, Wardsville, Missouri. Here's one of the most budget-friendly bikes on the list. This 2006 Softail Deluxe is powered by the fuel-injected 88 cubic-inch twin-cam engine, offering dependable performance and modern reliability compared to older carbureted models. With 47,000 miles, it has clearly been ridden but not abused. Cosmetically, it does have a dent in the tank and a few chips and scratches, but mechanically, the seller reports no known issues. It includes a big front wheel and Dynajet programmer. At just $4,000, this is an affordable way to get into a full-size Harley cruiser with classic styling and strong road presence. Number 3. 2006 Custom Heritage Softail, $8,000, Goreville, Illinois. This 2006 Heritage Softail Classic stands out immediately thanks to its custom paint and tasteful upgrades. With just over 19,000 miles, it's relatively low mileage for its age and appears well cared for. It features a 21-inch front wheel, 14-inch bars with stainless cables, new grips, fresh fluids, and a new Saddleman seat. The seller says the custom paint is in perfect condition and the bike needs nothing. It also includes detachable backrest and windshield, plus stock bags. At $8,000 OBO and open to trades, this one offers both show-quality looks and practical rideability. Number 4. 2006 Heritage Softail, $3,800, Gardner, Kansas. This second 2006 Heritage Softail offers a different kind of value. With 72,000 miles, it's clearly been enjoyed, but it features upgraded high-compression pistons, suggesting some internal performance improvements. The seller reports it runs good, though it needs minor cosmetic work, including bag straps and a small tear in the seat. At $3,800 OBO, this is positioned as a rider's bike rather than a showroom piece. For someone wanting a touring-capable Harley at a low entry price, this could be a solid foundation. Number 5. 2007 Harley-Davidson Road King Custom, $7,000, West Virginia. The Road King Custom offers classic touring comfort without the full fairing setup. This example shows 23,000 miles and comes finished in blue. The seller mentions lots of extras and no trades, suggesting confidence in the bike's value. With its strong twin-cam engine and comfortable touring platform, this could be a great option for riders wanting long-distance capability combined with timeless Harley style. Number 6. 2005 Road King Classic, $5,500, Massachusetts. This 2005 Road King Classic has 48,000 miles and features gear-driven cams, a major selling point for many twin-cam enthusiasts. Gear-driven cam conversions eliminate concerns about cam chain tensioners and are often viewed as a reliability upgrade. The seller states it's always been maintained and has great rubber. At $5,500, this could be one of the strongest value touring bikes on the list for someone prioritizing mechanical peace of mind. Number 7. 2000 Road King Classic, $7,000, New Jersey. Low mileage and heavily upgraded, this 2000 Road King Classic shows just 6,566 miles and comes with serious performance enhancements. It features Screamin' Eagle heads, Reinhardt exhaust, ported components, and reportedly makes around 100 horsepower. It also includes a new 6-speed transmission and detachable touring accessories. If documentation supports the work described, this could be a powerful and well-sorted touring machine. Number 8. 2003 Anniversary Edition Fatboy, $5,000, Virginia Beach, Virginia. This 2003 Anniversary Edition Fatboy in gunmetal blue pearl has been garage-kept and well-maintained. It features extra chrome, a Mueller power clutch assembly for easier clutch pull, and opened-up stock exhaust for that classic Harley tone. The cam chain tensioners were inspected less than 1,000 miles ago, brake fluid was recently changed, and the seller reports no issues. At $5,000, this could be a clean and collectible twin-cam era cruiser. Number 9. 1974 Shovelhead, $7,000, New Jersey. This 1974 Shovelhead brings classic 1970s Harley character to the table. With 51,000 miles and finished in red, the seller states it runs and drives well and everything works. For vintage enthusiasts who appreciate the raw mechanical feel of a carbureted Shovelhead, this could be a strong candidate as a rider-grade classic. Number 10. 1979 Shovelhead Custom, $12,000, West Virginia. Closing out the list with a serious custom build, this 93 cubic inch 1979 Shovelhead has been rebuilt by Adrenaline Performance using S&S internals with less than 1,000 miles since completion. It features a new 6-speed transmission, new S&S carburetor, custom upswept pipes, and completed break-in service. For someone wanting vintage Harley aesthetics with fresh internals and upgraded performance, this one may be the standout of the group. That's the lineup, from old-school panheads to upgraded shovelheads and affordable twin cams. Which one would you take home? Drop your pick in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Harley deals every week. See you in the next one!